Hello and welcome back to the channel Shifted Tech. Today we have a just nice and short video on the EVGA RTX 2060 KO. This card is a great graphics card for around the $300 price range with this particular model. You can also buy, the Founders Edition, which is going to be around $350 to $400 on average. MSI makes one, Zotac makes one, and yeah, those are just some of the names. There's some others too. So I got this card particularly for me because it offers RTX, good frame rates, and it's just a solid, amazing card for its price range. Now, if you're not interested in ray tracing, it might be a better option for you to try to get a 5600 XT on the Radeon side, because that's one of the best frames per dollar cards in the entire market. This card, however, is a little bit more expensive. You're typically going to find it around $30 to $50 more, but again, has ray tracing. So let's just jump right into it. Let's start with unboxing. So this is my first time ever seeing the card. Okay, so we have gotten the tape off, and now let's just jump right in. Looks like we just pull something down, and then we've got a little foam wrap with another box inside. Cool, we'll just put this over here for now. Let's check out, we've got a sticker, attention, don't kill yourself. Side here, we got another wrap. Nice foam packaging, making sure that everything arrives safely. And then, badam, here is the card, packed nicely in a EVGA wrap. So, with the removal of another warning tape, you should just be able to kind of unfold this like a burrito. Sorry if there's really bad crackling noise. And straight into the card. There it is.